Hi guys, welcome to MSA 2017. My name is Amrit.
And my name is Paul.
And today we'll take you through deploying a simple mobile application. So the topics we'll be covering is setting up a development environment, creating a new Xamarin.Forms project, and deploying a simple mobile application. Awesome. So just go to Microsoft Edge. And in the HTML type visualstudio.com. And then under Download Visual Studio, go to Community 2017, and that should start downloading. So once that downloaded, just click on it. So you'll see this window pop up, but instead of saying modify, it should say install. So if you click on that, so this window should pop up and it will show all the workloads that you can choose from. So we want to choose the Azure Development and the Xamarin.Forms. And just click install. So once Visual Studio is downloaded, we'll be opening it up. This is the page that you'll see. So what you want to do is in top left corner of File, go to New, and then go Project. And click on Cross-Platform App, and just name your app. And since we'll be making a game, we'll name it Diffuse Bomb. And just click OK. So click on Blank App, and make sure the Xamarin.Forms is clicked, and it's a portable class library, not shared project. And click OK. So this is what you'll see, but if you go over here, Visual Studio, what you want to do is make sure that it's on 23x86 phone Android. So just click that and then go into the phone icon. And find Visual Studio 2386 phone and click Edit. And under the CPU/ABI, click on Google APIs Intel Atom and click Edit.
And that essentially should make it run a lot faster.
Hopefully. Okay, and then just cross it out. So now you want to go into the main page, and this is what your app will do for now. So we'll just deploy the app. Click on the green arrow, or you can just go Command F5. Control F5. So this is the Android emulator, and it comes up with basic apps that are pre-installed, and the app that you made should be there, and it'll launch itself. So just wait a while. Perfect. This is the app, and it says welcome to Xamarin.Forms. So we haven't told it to do anything yet, so it's just a basic app. So what you want to do is go to mainpage.xaml in the Solutions Explorer, and you see it says label text welcome to Xamarin.Forms. So that was basically what it was displaying. So for module 1, you want it to display your name, so just change that text. And relaunch your emulator, and your text from welcome to Xamarin.Forms should have changed to the name that you've put in. So basically just take a screenshot of the emulator and upload it for module 1. So now Paul will do really exciting stuff and show you how to make a game.
Cool, awesome. Thank you, Amrit.
Okay, so we will continue with our app. But before we add anything else onto our screen, we're going to add in a stack layout tag. And what this tag will help us is that it will help us arrange different components on the screen easily. So I'm going to move the stack layout closing tag down to the bottom of the screen, and at the very top I'm going to add in another label, which will be the instruction for our player. So it's going to say avoid triggering the bomb. Alright. Next up, we're going to add in 3 different buttons to our screen, and the bomb will be randomly assigned to one of these buttons. So button tags, and the text is just simply going to say 1, and vertical option is going to be center and expand. Cool. Since we're having 3 different buttons, I'm just going to go ahead and copy and paste 2 more buttons. So 1, 2. And changing the text to 2 and 3 respectively. Cool. Let's go ahead and launch the app. As you guys can see, now we have 3 different buttons, but if you click on one of these buttons, it doesn't really do anything at the moment. Now let's go ahead and add some interaction to our buttons. So on the right, you see our Solution Explorer. So if you click on the main page.xaml, you might find main page.xaml.cs underneath. So double click on that. Opening up main page.xaml.cs, we're going to randomly assign one of the button with the bomb. So I'm gonna randomly generate a random number. Let's have a variable called bomb. So that's going to be a static variable with a type of string, bomb equal random, and it's going to be a random number between 1 to 3, excluding 4. And we do need to turn this into a string. Alright. Next, let's write what happened when the user actually clicked the button. So we're going to have an event handler for our button. So that's going to be async void, because we're not returning anything. Button clicked. And object sender. Cool. Having a look quickly at the signature of the method, sender object here contains the reference to the button that was clicked, and event args contain the data associated with the object. What's important here is that we need a button in our method. So button equal, and we're going to cast this as a button type. Awesome. So now we can actually access the attributes of our button. Now we're gonna check if the user clicked the button that contains the bomb. So if button.text equal to bomb. So this will be executed if the button that the user clicked equals to the randomly assigned bomb. Then we're gonna call display alert with the title that says bomb exploded, and the message saying game over. And the label for the dismiss button will be retry. Cool. At the same time, we want to be assigning a new random number after the user died. So bomb, our variable bomb here, will be equal to a new random number between 1 to 3, again excluding 4, and converting that to string as well. And for each button in main page.xaml, we want to be adding another attributes just underneath called click, and this essentially will trigger the button click method that we wrote here. So we want to be doing the same for all the button. Cool. So now we can go ahead and launch our app. Alright, here we have 3 different buttons. So let's go ahead and try one of them. One of these buttons will contain the bomb. Okay, so 2 is safe. Okay, so 3 contains the bomb, and we just lost the game. Each time we click retry, the bomb will be randomly reassigned to one of these buttons. So if we click 3 again, okay, so it was reassigned to 3. Okay, as you guys can see now, 3 is no longer contains the bomb. Sweet. Let's make our game a little bit more exciting and give points to those who manage to avoid the bomb. So what I'm gonna do is, let's initialize another static variable. So this one's gonna be of type int, and the name of the variable is going to be scores starting from 0 and down here. So if the user managed to successfully avoid the bomb, we're going to give them a point. Scores plus equal 1. And we might as well tell them that they have defused the bomb. So bomb defuse. And we'll tell them their scores. So scores plus, cool. And as for the dismiss button, we'll just have it say continue. Alright, so each time the user avoid the bomb, we want to be assigning a new random number to the bomb variable as well. So they don't keep winning forever. Cool, so that each time the user avoid the bomb, the new bomb is going to be randomly assigned. And as for here, if the user actually hit the bomb, we're going to reset their scores back to 0. So everything's looking great. Let's launch our app and try it out. Okay, so we've got our game here. I'm going to go ahead and click 1. Okay, so I've diffused 1 bomb. I'm going to try one more time. I've diffused 2 bomb. Let's try third button. I've diffused 3 bomb. Okay, so I just lost right there. Game over. Cool.
Alright, so that basically concludes our presentation on how to deploy a simple app. I hope you guys had fun, and good luck with the rest of the MSA program.
Bye!
Hey guys, so let's try our app out. Yep, you defuse 1 bomb. Oh, died. We died. Okay, give it a go, Amran.
2